So this is your model. This is what you will solve. Had it been this is not there, you can use graphical method and so on. But this is there, you cannot use graphical method. You have to use simplex method. Now, again, you have to move further to add a slack variable because you have to make this inequality to be equation, to be equality before you start solving the linear programming problem. Now, how do we add the slack variable? The notion behind the slack variable is because assuming the value of X, the company was able to produce 20, say 50 20x product X or 30 product of X, 30 product of Y. So if you multiply 23 times 30 plus 32 times 30, what will you get? 23 times 30 will give you what? 690. 23 times 30 will give you 690. 32 times 30 will give you what? 960. 960. If you add this, 700, 900, 1650. This will give you 1650. So this 1650 is still not up. Sorry, there is a mistake. I'm not adding here, this is here. If you produce 30x, 50x, 30y, 10 times 50 will be what? 500. 6 times 30 will be what? 180. So you put the two together, you are in the region of 780, which is still less than 2005. See what I'm saying? If you produce 50 here, it's going to be 10 times 50 plus if you produce 30 here, it's going to be 6 times 30. 10 times 50 is 500. 6 times 30 is 180. Put the two together is what? 680. This 680 is still less, it's not up to 2005. So you have about 1,800 left in that year 2005. So how can you make this place to be equal in mathematics? If you say this is equals to this, it means they are the same. So now that we are just giving an example. If you have this is not equal, it's just equals to 680. 680 is not equals to 2005. So still inequality will hold less than or equal to. Now, and the funniest thing, you don't know at this stage, you don't know the actual number of X and Y. How can you make it equality? That is the idea of slack variable. Just put the slack variable, whatever it is, the slack we assume, the remaining, whatever is produced, the remaining quantity that will make it to be equality will be in the slack variable. That is the notion, no more or less. So, if you understood this calculation, then the slack variable, converting this will now be maximize the slack variable will also be added because we have xy here, will be added into the objective function. But because they are idle, they do not change anything, they will carry coefficient of a 0. So the problem will now be maximize z